No, I'm saying, I mean, she needs that money to fix that car. So.
You know, sometimes life can change in a second. 1 minute you're fine, the next minute you're dealing with a car accident. And unfortunately, that's exactly what happened to Ghost Hlubi. But what surprised many people is not just the accident, it's the reaction to it. From sympathy to accusations of it being a prank, to even people celebrating his loss. Let's talk about it. So after the accident, Ghost Hlubi went onto his channel and posted a video explaining exactly what happened. According to him, the other driver was in the wrong, which means that driver is liable to fix the damages on the car. Ghost made it very clear that he's going to handle this situation legally. He said he's going to follow the law, gather the right documents, and make sure the person who caused the accident takes responsibility. And one thing is emphasized, he's not taking money out of his own pocket to fix the car because he was not at fault. Honestly, that makes sense. If you didn't cause the accident, why should you pay? Huh? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sima spoke about the situation and said she genuinely sympathizes with Ghost Hlubi. She understands why he would turn this sad situation into content. And let's be real for a second. Being a content creator is not easy. Your life becomes your content. The good moments, the bad moments, the embarrassing moments, everything. Sima basically said he probably needs money to fix the car, so if he can make content about it and generate income, why not? At the end of the day, content creation is his job. And that raises a bigger conversation. When you are a creator, do you have to use every situation, whether good or bad, to your advantage? Because for influencers and YouTubers, their real life is the product. But not everyone is buying the story. Some people are saying the accident is just a prank. And honestly, I don't understand that logic. How do you look at a real damaged car and immediately think this is content strategy? Bruh, a BMW M4 G82. Emakancane mfethu. There's nothing funny about someone losing something they worked hard for. A car is not cheap. It's not something small. Sometimes social media makes us so skeptical that we stop having empathy. Ghost Hlubi also addressed the people who were celebrating his loss and making jokes about his situation. He said something very interesting. He still has other cars to use, so it's not like he'll be taking an Uber. And if people want to celebrate his loss, they can go ahead. But he also said one thing, the comeback will be too much. Now, that's confidence. And honestly, whether you like him or not, you can't deny that mindset. Instead of crying publicly, he's talking about bouncing back. I think this situation shows us two things. Social media can be very harsh, and being a public figure means people will question everything. At the end of the day, accidents happen. If the other driver is responsible, the law will handle it. And if Ghost Hlubi decides to monetize the situation through content, that's his right because that's literally his career. But celebrating someone's loss, that says more about the people laughing than the person going through it. What do you guys think? Do you think Ghost Hlubi is right to make content out of the accident? Do you think people are being too harsh? Or do you think the prank accusations make sense? Let's talk in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.